In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the preview could not be loaded. So in order to do this, you first need to head over to the website of Elementor, and then from in there, you first need to head over and utilize this by adding it to a WordPress website. So head over to your WordPress and then log into an account and install Elementor from there. Take note that you will still be able to actually install WordPress if you have a business plan available right here. Now this is what it looks like on my case. So here is Elementor already integrated into my WordPress. And into this part, if you want to actually fix the error for the preview that can't be loaded, what we can do is we can navigate to Elementor. And then from in there, go over to Tools. And then in here, once it's loaded, just head over to General. Into this part, you should be able to see in here Save Mode. As of right now, it's disabled. So make sure to click on it and then enable it and then head over and click onto the Save Changes. So that's what this will do is that this will create a clean environment for the editor, effectively isolating potential conflicts with themes or plugins. So if the preview loads in Save Mode, the issue likely lies with a third-party plugin or your theme. Now, if this save mode resolved the issue, just deactivate all plugins except Elementor. You can do so by going over right here to the plugins option. And into this part, just deactivate the plugins that you have that is not Elementor. You can also do this if you want to as well. Onto your plugin marketplace, just click onto this installed plugins that you can see right here onto your screen. And in here, you can just deactivate this right here, deactivate some more that is not Elementor. Alternatively, you can also switch to default theme and like for example 2024 or 2023 in order to utilize this. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.